Hello everyone, welcome to Motivational Medicals. It's me, Dr. Tanya Bajaj this side, and I am a sports physical therapist by profession. Firstly, I just hope that you all are doing good at your end and are perfectly fit and healthy. Now, to begin with myself, I have done my bachelor's from Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy, IP University. My master's from Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. I am a certified kinesiology taping therapist, a certified dry needling therapist, certified manipulation therapist, certified cupping therapist. I'm certified in basic life support and also a certified soft tissue manipulation therapist. I have been former physiotherapist with Team India at Senior Asian Wrestling Championship 2020. I have also been a sports physiotherapist at various sports events like All India Mixed Martial Arts Championship, Fenesta Open Tennis Championship, at Football Delhi, Wushu League, Jiu-Jitsu League, and many others. My friends, the outbreak that the current pandemic has brought about is something that has put the entire world to a standstill. Losing our knowns, facing the crisis, and whatnot. But even in this crucial time, the way our healthcare professionals and medicals worked day and night and came up as the frontline warriors to make sure that we are fine, their efforts shouldn't be unnoticed. So here I am up with you to tell you what role does my field play, that is, what is the role of physiotherapist in the management of COVID-19. A physiotherapist, my friends, plays a crucial role in the management of patients with COVID-19. A physiotherapist not only assists the medical specialist in the course of treatment but also ensures faster recovery of the patients. They ensure less muscle wasting or conditions like ICU syndrome ensures functionality and faster return to the activities of daily living of a patient. A physiotherapist prescribes various energy conserving breathing exercises to the person, um, early mobilization techniques to ensure increase in the oxygenation levels. A physiotherapist performs various airway clearance techniques like active cycle of breathing technique, cuffing, huffing, as well as percussion techniques are done on the patients. Vibration, manual, mechanical are also performed to carry out the airway clearance in the patients. In cases which are more severe, like that of rib fracture, positive pressure breathing, non-invasive ventilation are done. In cases which are present with respiratory complications and pneumonia, in them taking the cuff out of the body is major issue. So a physiotherapist plays an important role in this because these patients they have expectorated cuff with mucus. So a physiotherapist teaches various techniques to let the cuff out of the body. The patient takes the cuff up till the upper respiratory tract, and the physiotherapist then teaches various other techniques to take the cuff out of the body. Right. So, furthermore, in patients who are critically ill, in such patients, a physiotherapist works along the ENT specialist to carry out certain maneuvers like suctioning, either orally or through the tracheostomy, that is. So I hope with this you are able to get a brief picture about the role of physiotherapy in the management of COVID patients. So in the end, I would like to thank all the medical professionals who have worked day and night, to all the frontline warriors who have not been home since a very long time, to make sure that we are fine. I would like to thank Motivational Medicos as well for providing me the platform to present my views. In the end, I would like to mark the end by reciting few lines. Even being so close to death, we assure that you have an optimal breath. What if our sleep is at sacrifice? If we could save a life? The best of your recovery is what we try. With a fear, our parents too do cry. But an oath that abides to me, serving my patients to the best. Yes, a physiotherapist I choose to be.